Very good morning. Welcome back. Let's discuss some of the examples on linkers today. And in the last session, I had told you it will be for 4 marks. And before answering the linkers, before answering the blanks with the linkers, you have to remember that you have to read the whole paragraph and the linkers given in the brackets before answering it. And the second point is that it's not necessary that you have to write the answer for the first blank first. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೋ ಅದನ್ನು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದನ್ನು ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಯು, ಯೂಶ್ವಲಿ ಟು ಬಿಗಿನ್ ವಿತ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ, ಅಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ವರ್ಡ್ಸು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಫೈನಲಿ, ಇವೆಂಚುಯಲಿ, ಅಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ಸು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಕಿಗೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ರಿಟನ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ದ ರೈವಲರಿ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ತಮ್ಮಣ್ಣ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಸವಯ್ಯ looked like healthy competition. Blank, it took a new turn. Blank, it rose to such a pitch that there was no land left in the village for them to buy. All the land blank belonged to Tammanna or Basvaya. Let's check out the answer. So what is the answer for the first one? To begin with, shuru nalli, the rivalry between Tammanna and Basvaya looked like healthy competition. However is a contrasting linker. It took a new turn. First ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಆಮೇಲೆ is again it's a contrasting linker. It took a new turn dash gradually, ನಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ, it's a time linker. Gradually it rose to such a pitch that there was no land left in the village for them to buy. All the land either belonged to Tammanna or Basavaya. So these are the 4 linkers which is suitable for that 4 blanks. Let's check it out, the second link example now. See here it is. Logging had led to landslides and floods. Blank, scarcity of water, fodder and fuel. Blank, women provide these basic needs. The scarcity meant longer walks to satisfy the needs. Women knew that the real value of the forest was not timber from the dead tree. Blank, the springs and streams. Again blank, the women set out to save trees. Now just have a look at it. Logging had led to landslides and floods. Blank, scarcity of water, comma, fodder and fuel ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So it is an extension, ಅದೊಂದು ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ಲಿ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದಟ್ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸೋ ಅಂಥ ಲಿಂಕರ್ ಯಾವುದಲ್ಲಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್, isn't it? Logging had led to landslides and floods and scarcity of water, fodder and fuel. Blank, women provide these basic needs. It is a reason here. Since women provide these basic needs, the scarcity meant longer walks to satisfy the needs. The second answer is since. Since it shows the reason. Women provide these basic needs, the scarcity meant longer walks to satisfy the needs. Women knew that the real value of the forest was not timber from the dead tree, but the springs and streams. So it's not the dead tree, but the springs and streams. So third one is but. But is again the contrasting idea. The springs and stream, blank, the women set out to save tree. So as they have come to know that the real value of the forest is not the timber from the dead tree, it is from the springs and streams. So hence, therefore, it's a reason here. So the women set out to save trees. Hence the women. So again, what is it? It is a cause. What happened? The women set out to save trees. This is the second example. Please write it in the notes.